Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have the Google email and password, and the phone is online. Now unlock the device and open settings. Depending on the phone, tap accounts, users, or passwords. If you see a prompt for add account, tap it. Once done, choose Google from the list of account types. This step kicks off the secure sign in Flow, so make sure the connection is stable and the device battery won't die mid-process. You'll enter the Google email and tap Next, then type the password. If you use a password manager, paste it carefully. Next, handle two-step verification if it's enabled. Choose text, authenticator, or backup code as needed. After successful verification, Google shows permissions and sync options. Read them quickly and choose which items to sync, such as contacts or Drive. Make sure to pick settings that match how you want data shared between devices. Once signed in, check settings accounts to confirm the Google account is listed and sync is enabled for desired services. Then open the Play Store or Gmail to verify access and let initial sync complete. That may take a few minutes. If something fails, reboot the phone first. If problems persist, make sure date/time is correct, reset network settings, and retry sign-in. If two-step verification blocks you, use backup code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.